Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Tita Barbie again. Today I am going to show you how to make mochi brownies. These are my ingredients and all the exact measurement will be in my description below. So I am just showing you what I'm gonna use for today. So I have all the ingredients now in here. So just check, as I've said, my description. So there will be, I will write, all the exact measurement. So let's get started. In here, I've just add everything, but you know that I've got coffee in there. So you can dissolve the coffee to the milk, but I just add them in one go. So, but that's another way you can do it. So in here, what I did, I just add everything and I just use my hand mixer. So just mix everything. 1 egg. I just mix this first before I use my hand mixer. So I just use a medium speed. Approximately, I whisk this about less than 5 minutes. I don't want to overmix. And then I put butter on the muffin tray so that it would be easier for me to remove once they're done. So this recipe will make 12 mochi brownies. So this is a different kind of cake because it's made of glutinous rice flour, so it's kind of sticky, chewy, so it's gonna be very nice. So try this. This is very simple ingredients. And then this is just optional, the chocolate chips, so you just sprinkle on top. If you don't want that, that's fine. If you want to put some walnut on top still, that's fine. It's up to you, whatever toppings you would like. And then I put them into the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. It depends on the oven, so please check. So we have different ovens, so different temperature, different cooking time. There you go. They are done. That's it. So I'm gonna remove that. It's still hot, but I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna put that in the rack, and I want it to cool down. There. So you have to try this, guys. It's really yummy. This is popular in America. And it's really yummy. So I have few different what you call that one, recipe for mochi, so please stay tuned and I will share everything to you guys. Thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please write it down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Please give me a thumbs up if you like, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Keep safe, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. God bless. God bless. Thank you for watching. Bye.